Bitcoin, the world's leading cryptocurrency, has been on an incredible journey over the last decade. But as we look ahead to 2025, the question that's on everyone's mind is, will Bitcoin reach 150K? In this video, we are going to break down all the factors that could drive Bitcoin to new heights and explore whether it's truly possible for BTC to hit 150K by 2025. As of today, Bitcoin trades between 30K to 60K depending on market conditions. But while the price is volatile, it's important to note that Bitcoin's value has been rising steadily for over a decade. What factors are driving this growth, and why could Bitcoin reach new milestones in the coming years? One of the most significant drivers of Bitcoin's price surge is institutional investment. Major companies, including Tesla and MicroStrategy, have been buying Bitcoin in bulk. In fact, MicroStrategy owns over 100,000 Bitcoins. This institutional interest isn't just a passing trend, it's a signal that Bitcoin is seen as a legitimate store of value. Another crucial factor is Bitcoin's role as a hedge against inflation. In times of economic uncertainty, investors turn to assets that hold their value. Bitcoin, with its capped supply of 21 million coins, is increasingly being seen as digital gold. As inflation rises globally, Bitcoin's scarcity could push its price even higher. Every 4 years, Bitcoin goes through a halving event, where the reward for mining Bitcoin is cut in half. This decreases the supply of new Bitcoin, which has historically led to a price increase due to reduced supply and increasing demand. The next halving is in 2024, and this could be the catalyst that propels Bitcoin's price even higher. However, Bitcoin faces significant challenges, most notably regulation. While some countries like El Salvador have embraced Bitcoin, others like China have banned it altogether. The regulatory environment remains uncertain, and if governments impose stricter regulations, it could limit Bitcoin's growth potential. Another factor that could prevent Bitcoin from reaching 150K is its infamous volatility. Bitcoin's price has seen massive swings upwards and downwards, leaving some investors worried. But despite this volatility, Bitcoin has continued its upward trajectory over time, showing resilience in the face of market chaos. Bitcoin's future price is also heavily influenced by global market conditions. Inflation, central bank policies, and economic recessions all play a significant role. If the global economy continues to face uncertainty, Bitcoin could be seen as a safe haven, attracting more investors and pushing its price up. However, Bitcoin isn't the only cryptocurrency on the market. Ethereum, Solana, and other altcoins are gaining in popularity and market cap. While Bitcoin remains dominant, these coins could siphon some of Bitcoin's market share, which might slow its rise to $150K. Still, Bitcoin remains the go-to digital asset for most investors. So, will Bitcoin really reach 150K by 2025? Based on current trends, it's certainly possible. Bitcoin's growing institutional adoption, its role as a hedge against inflation, and the upcoming halving event all point towards substantial growth. However, the regulatory landscape and market volatility remain the key risks that could hold Bitcoin back. Looking beyond 2025, Bitcoin could continue to grow as more institutions and countries adopt it. The question is, how high can it go? Will 1550K be the ceiling? Or could Bitcoin soar even higher as it becomes more integrated into global financial systems? To wrap it up, Bitcoin's future looks bright, but there are still hurdles to overcome. Will it reach 150K by 2025? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, Bitcoin will continue to play a pivotal role in the world of digital finance. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market.